Welcome back everyone, Killer NC here, back with another unboxing video. And I wanted to make a quick video because I'm having an issue with my Antlion ModMic 5 and I just made a video on that. So before some of you guys went out and grabbed it and encountered the same issue, I wanted to go ahead and put this out there. For me, and I've looked at different videos and forums, they're having the same issue. If you use the ModMic 3.5 millimeter jack and you use your sound card from your motherboard, even if you have a pretty good motherboard, the audio jack might be crap. All right, so the sound card might be completely garbage and everything else can be perfect. So that's what happened to me. I put the ModMic into my motherboard audio jack and all you hear is this distortion, this hissing, and just nastiness. All right, so got really upset, started looking into it, almost returned it thinking it was the ModMic, but then I later found out that it was just my sound card on my motherboard that was garbage. So I did some research and the first thing I did was I bought a 3.5 millimeter adapter to XLR. So I wanted to use it with my Scarlett Solo USB DAC. Since I'm using it for my headphones as well, and it has a mic port, it's just XLR, I bought that adapter. That was 10 bucks. The noise got a little better, but it was still there, and that didn't work for me. So I kept doing some research, and then I ended up finding the Be Excellent Pro Gaming Headset USB Sound Card Hub. Now, I bought two of these. I bought the blue one, and then they have also a red one. And the red is my setup, so that's what I ended up getting. I'm going to use one of them with my laptop whenever I go on trips, and then I'm just going to leave one next to my PC. So I tried one of them already, and the noise stops 100%. And this only costs $10, guys. All right? And unlike some other sound cards that you'll see out there, other USB sound cards that you can probably get for $5, $6, whatever, this one's a little bit different and you guys are going to see why. So with that said, let's go ahead and open it up and you'll see what you get for $10. All right, so you get your instructions and crap, not needed. Let's go ahead and take a look at the actual sound card. Now, the cable is 1.15 meters long, so that should be plenty of distance for you to connect it to your PC's USB port. Let me go ahead and untangle this real quick for you guys so you can actually see the length. Okay, pretty long. Go ahead and put that there. So it has a Cobra emblem right on the top, nice and shiny. You have two USB ports that you can use for your mouse, your keyboard, pretty much anything else. Charge your phone. So you're using one USB port, and if you guys have a case that only has one or two, well, you're giving up one, but you're getting two in return, okay? Moving on from that, then you have your 3.5 mic jack. You also get a 3.5 headphone jack. And then, of course, the two USBs. So the quality of this compared to your $5 USB sound card, it makes a world difference to me. It looks nice. It doesn't look cheap. And it's right in front of me and I can connect actually other items. I can charge my phone and connect my mouse to it actually. Okay, quick video in case you guys are having problems with either the ModMic that you're getting this hissing and all that. It's your sound card. I will leave links in the description where you can grab these. Like I said, they're 10 bucks. That's gonna wrap up this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit that like, subscribe, hit the notification so you can get notified when I release my next video. And until next time, take care.